Hello, welcome. Today, I'll be putting you through on how to build an AI agent that responds to your mail, help you to book appointments, and also respond to your FAQs. So, what this AI agent does is, let's say someone message you to ask about your availability. The AI agent will check your calendar, provide the person with the available time, giving them a range of 30 minutes meeting, or depending on the time the person chose, the AI agent will approve and then create an event on your calendar. Also, this AI agent is also capable of answering FAQ. Let's say someone have a question regarding your service or your product. This AI agent can respond to the person, well, giving the person the perfect answer. So to do this, so I'm going to take you through it then before we build. Yeah, I start by using this Gmail trigger. So what this trigger is all about is when someone send you a message. So this is going to trigger. So after this email trigger, I added my AI agent. Let me open it up. Yeah, after adding my AI agent, I using define flow. Then I give it prompt. This is the prompt I give the AI agent. To get your own prompt, you can use ChatGPT or any other AI. Tell them what you want, the details, and they are going to get you a nice prompt. When they get you the prompt, then check the prompt, make sure it's meet up with what you want. Yeah, after adding this, can you see I toggle this requires special format? The reason why I toggle this because I want this since we be sending out email, we don't want the subject and the body of the message to not come out professionally. So we are going to give the AI agent the example of what we want. So can you see from this structural output parser, this is where we define what we want for the AI agent. Can you see? So I give the AI agent this JSON code to this is the format the AI agent is going to follow. Then the next thing I do is to give use a chat mode. I'm using OpenAI chat mode there, and I'm using 415 mini. Then I added a memory to it. I'm using divine below for memory also, and I added this key in the build up. You are going to see where I get my key. Also, I added my get availability in the calendar. So I added my calendar nodes and select the right calendar for it to get availability from. And also I added the create event node also. So what this does is to create an event after the user have agreed to a time. So let me put you through some of the example. Can you see someone send me? I send myself this mail. That is your time availability. Then the response to it is, yeah, this is the response we get. Here are some available times. Can you see? This is the AI response. And let's check when the user agreed to a time. Yeah, this is when the user agreed to a time. Monday, October 6th work for me. Let's check the AI response. The email after the user have confirmed a time. Yes, that work I've scheduled a meeting for Monday, October 6th, 2025, 10 to 10:30 GMT. Can you see? We use a calendar invite shortly. So this is how it works. Also, I think I asked I received message on pricing. Yeah. So I sent myself this what's your price for plumbing, and this is the AI response. Cost depending on the issue, but minor repairs usually start at. I didn't put a price range in my prompt, so that's why it's like this. And can you see this? Also, well, after you have scheduled a time, can you see the time we schedule this 10 a.m. So it create an event, putting meeting, and this AI, this the calendar will notify you about the meeting. So now let's start building agent from scratch. So the first thing is to add our Gmail trigger on message received. Then We add our AI agent. So now we are going to click it on the line below, then do this prompt. Then we are going to toggle this require specific output format. We toggle it. Then click on add. We click on system. The reason why we are using this require output format is because we want our email to be well structured. So we are going to give the AI agent the type of structure we want, how we want it to come out. Then I'm going to copy my prompt and paste it here. Yeah, here is my prompt. Here is the prompt I'll be using. To get your own prompt, you can use GPT or Cloud. Just give it the details of what you want and tell it to generate a prompt for you. Let's go back. Now let's add our chat model. We're using OpenAI chat model. Or we can leave it with GPT mini. Then our simple memory. This simple memory, we need to add a ID. So let me do this first. Let's first test first. Yeah, now we have a output. We have an output. Then let's go back. So for this memory, we are going to use this ID, define below. Then we drag this ID. And I'm going to go back. So like I said, this AI agent can help us to book an appointment. So let's add our calendar appointment to it. Then go calendar tools. So the first thing is for it to be able to fetch about our availability. Then we click on this resource, click calendar, give it on availability. Then you select your mail. I can use toggle this place. This will enable the AI agent to determine the start time and the end time. Yeah. The next thing to do is to add our event node. So here you are going to select event. We are going to leave it as event. The other one we select calendar. Now we are going to leave it as event. Then the calendar event that we'll be using, that will be this Gmail. Can leave this also like this. Then you come back. The next thing to do is to add our structural parser. Like we said, we want our output to be in a specific format. So you can just use this. This will be the subject. Sorry. Subject. Let's just put appointment time slot here. Here are the time slots. This is just an example. So then we leave it like this. Yeah, after this, the next thing to do is I'll add our Gmail. We'll be using send. Send a message. Can you see send a message? So after we have added our send message on Gmail node, so now we are going to populate this place two. Can we see two? So that's the email we are sending back to. So that will be, we come to order this Gmail trigger from. Can you see this from? Yeah, drag it here. So for the subject, one of the advantages of using email structural parser is to structure our output very well. Now, this is the benefit you are going to get from it. Can you see the subject? We drag it here. That be your email subject. Then message. Can you see? We drag the message here. This is the message. So this is the message the this person that sent you mail will receive, and we put on this is the subject of the email, what the AI agent will use as subject. So now we are going to test the AI agent to see how it's how it is. Thank you. Now that we are done with the whole workflow, so let's show you the result of what we get. Or I just asked the AI agent about the pricing for, so I send this mail, what's your pricing for plumbing? Then let's see the response the AI agent saying, cost depend on the issue, but minor repair usually start at this is a price range. I did not put all this information in my prompt, so I'm just using it as an example. Then we provide a similar one before work begin. So this is the kind of message we send. Like before, I've show you some other messages. Like if you ask for appointment, it will show you the yes. This is the for appointment. This is the confirmation for appointment time. Can you see? It's giving you the client's option of times that is available for booking. So that's all about this Gmail AI agent. If you like these videos, can you give us a like and subscribe? We also like your comments regarding this video. Thank you very much. Thanks for taking your time to watch this video. Bye. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.